Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now we are find the beautiful animals. Come on, let's go. Wow, jasmine flower, very nice. Wow, frog, so good, so good. Then wow, horse, very nice, very beautiful. Wow, elephant, very nice, very nice. Then wow, sheep, very nice, very nice. Then wow, wolf, very nice. Wow, rhinoceros, amazing. Wow, good, so good. Wow, lizard, amazing. Wow, banana tree, banana leaf, nice. Cow, so good. Wow, camel, very small camel, amazing. Wow, tiger, very nice. Wow, zebra, very small zebra, so good. Wow, ox, nice.